If we talk about storage, data stored in a hard drive are stored on a magnetic film or a plate. That depends the version and as well as the generation we are belong or seeing to. Because of one simple thing, earlier yes there were tap drive, then there were magnetic disks. Today even Linux and other thing can be stored in a pen drive, that is a USB storage, and can operate. So basically one thing still remains the same, is 512 bytes of data in a sector. If you go for the old phenomena, yes, data was still stored in a sector at a proper track. So basically we store data with the following manner, that each directory will have information about where and which file is. This is much similar to Windows FAT entry, where we are clearly being told how and where we are storing a particular file. So this was about file storage of Linux. Going one step further, Linux process management. We all know that Linux were known for multitasking. That means multiple programs can access processor at the time. For doing so, we have a time sharing system, as what we have said. Now in this, a process would go through 3 basic stages as what we had earlier. When it is ready, it is waiting for processor. When processor is given, it is running. In between, when it is paused, it will go to sleep, and then the circle will keep on happening. In this case, we required synchronization. So the synchronization would appear in a very simple manner. First is the round robin scheme, in which we can achieve the synchronization, which is very commonly used by the Linux core itself. So synchronization in Linux, we can say, is done by round robin, where a small quantum is taken and each process which is currently waiting or operating would be done for a small amount of time. And for instance, in this thing, quantum is of 100 milliseconds. So each process, when given a chance, would execute for 100 milliseconds. The moment this is over, next process will continue. So that will allow a better synchronization. We have already done round robin, so I'm not wasting our time, but still, if we go through, when things are ready, slowly and steadily, one will execute, sleep, we are keeping 2 basic arrays to play with, one who are sleeping and second who are ready, and in a round robin manner appropriately things would be selected. So that's exactly what we have in the process management, kernel and file management in Linux. Hope everybody understood. Thank you very much.